another. Turn back and listen to each other. Come together as one group to support and stand with one another. Only then we are a great people. Oh, Hmong. Learn to respect each other. Come close and embrace as friends. Speak softly as brothers and sisters in love. Do not become enemies and hate. Friends we must be. Oh, Hmong, I wish for us to live in peace, so harmony may always follow. The rich must care for the poor. The simple must respect the wise. Only then can we live together as one. Oh, Hmong. Whether you are old or young, whether white Hmong or green Hmong, do not insult or fight each other. We must treat each other with respect, for that we are one family, the Hmong people. Oh, Hmong. Oh, Hmong, if someone has great talent, we all must honor them. We must support and strengthen their gifts, so that we may have true leaders, and others will see our worth. Oh, Hmong. Oh no, I call upon our leaders. Do not lead with selfish pride. Care for the people with dignity, so our reputation will rise and our honor will shine high. The Hmong people. Dear Hmong, the year 2045's arrived. Oh, Hmong, no matter the clan, must unite with one heart, one mind, to help and to love one another, so the name of the Hmong will be known across the world.